Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Conscious Empowerment. Today, we're gonna talk about some fucking simple but real impactful shit. If you're new to this community, welcome. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Okay? Now, I read a sentence in Neville Goddard's book, The Feeling is a Secret, and I read just two sentences, and that's all I needed. Okay. And I started thinking about the things that I wanted and feeling the feeling of having it already. That's the key. Okay. That is the key. So, one thing I want to share is watching these videos is good, but it's not going to get you what you want. Reading Neville Goddard is going to help you get what you want, but reading it is not going to do it. Okay. So what you need to do is apply. You can have all the knowledge of manifesting, but you need to apply. Okay. I'm going to share a story of how I manifested recently. So currently I'm at a tax firm. I'm in sales and I'm improving all the time. You know, again, intuitive hunches to read certain books and et cetera, right? However, I visualize the end of a sale. So there's different ways I visualized it. I'm telling one of my coworkers, hey, I got one. So from my first person point of view, from my eyes and my imagination, I see the person. I say, hey, I got one. Okay. I just saw it right now in my head. Okay, so I wasn't here when I was closing my eyes. I wasn't here doing this YouTube video. I was visualizing myself saying, hey, I got one to one of my coworkers. That instantaneously. Now, I'll manifest that experience if I feel it to be true. And you feel it to be true when you feel happy, joyful, relieved, ecstatic. You can feel maybe all of those at once or one or two. It just depends. But it's usually like a relief type of thing. Like, it is done. You know, you're like, okay, and you feel happy. That feeling is telling your subconscious mind that it's what you want. And your subconscious mind feels it to be true because you are feeling it. Thought and feeling equals physical, concrete manifestation. The moment you think about it, you've created it. You've manifested it in your mind. The moment you feel it, you plant it in the subconscious mind and you're watering it, kind of like a plant. You're watering it, you're giving it light, and then keeping that in thought and feeling, whether before you go to sleep or during the day or when you wake up, it doesn't fucking matter really. As long as you're feeling it as true. And I mentioned how that feels. You know, it feels like completed. It's completed. So how would you feel now that it's completed? And then it becomes physical manifestation. You don't have a choice in it. Your body will move. Just like one of the stories that I mentioned before, how I went up to my professor and hugged her and she became my mentor. I didn't plan that. I had no concept of that. Nobody had told me that, like, hey, you got to go hug your professor and then you're going to get a mentor and then you get a research program. Like, a lot of people didn't even know that shit. You know, because a lot of my friends were first generation college students. We didn't know you needed a mentor and all this crap. You know, it's not crap, but you know what I mean. So your subconscious mind will move you towards the things that you need to go do. So yesterday I was visualizing it, and I do this all the time. You know, every week I do it all the time. So I visualize the end of sale. I see myself. My coworker wasn't there yesterday, so I saw the sign on my computer. When somebody signs a contract, I can see the listings that I've sent out. And so there's a list, and then it says if I sent a document for e-signature, it'll say sent. When they sign it, it'll say signed in green. So on mine, I will see signed in green. Okay. So I do different forms. Maybe that's signed in green. Maybe an email saying that, hey, I got a sale. The manager will send an email, or I would do by a coworker. So there's different ways that I'm seeing it already done. But the most important thing is the feeling. So I would feel happy. I feel happy, right? If you're in sales, if you're not getting sales, are you always fucking pissed and like, these leads suck. I'm not getting it. Then like, that's why you're not getting sales. If you're doing the same thing for like your love and complaining like, how come I don't have a girlfriend, or, I'm not having sex, or whatever it is, that's why you're not having it. Because you need to feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled. That you got to feel it as completed. It's already done. Okay. Now, let's do money. If you're like, I don't got any money there. You see? My cats were like, what the hell's going on over there? My cats are looking over here. But if you're having that feeling for money, guess why you don't have any money? If you're having that feeling for your health, guess why you're not healthy? But with all of these, you got to just feel good. Do something that feels good. That's why. So if you're unhealthy, that's why like meditation, massages, even medicine can help you feel relaxed and feel good. That's why when you get sick or you get a cold or something, just relax, lay down, drink some tea and relax, go to sleep, let your body relax. See, when you go to sleep, you actually allow yourself to relax. Just like meditation, you relax. Body, your muscles all just like drop, like boom. And that's relief. And it's kind of like giving yourself a hug. Okay, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about that now, of your self-care. Self-care is like your foundation, okay? Is your foundation like a tree trunk, and its leaves, it's a foundation. The wind will blow, it's not gonna fall. Maybe if it's a little weak, it will, but so I know you may have thought that, so I put that out there, okay? So if you get the right nutrients and you grow sufficiently fast enough and high enough, the wind, the elements, the rain, the heat are not going to impact you. You're going to stay strong. So your self-care routine is that center. Your self-love, your self-validation. For me, it is threefold. Gratitude, meditation, and exercise. I walk every day, okay? So that for me, that's exercise. There's a few days where I put in heavy lifting, HIIT training, high intensity training, and I lift weights so my muscles could grow depending on what I'm trying to grow, and for my muscles to stay healthy and strong. And that makes me healthy. It makes my body healthy, my body strong. That's my foundation. Now I can move throughout the world with a strong body, with a calm mind from the meditation, and a smile on my fucking face because I am grateful for everything that I have. And grateful for the things that I'm manifesting, because I'm saying that I already have them. So I feel amazing. But this all starts in the beginning. Right now it's around 7:19, 18 a.m. And I've already done that. And I'm here sharing this information with you because I know it'll change your fucking life. Okay? Life is easy and simple when you take care of yourself and when you're happy. Because then just having this cup of coffee is extra. I woke up being grateful and I'm happy. Okay, I'm healthy. I put in the work, right? I do exercise every day and have a strong body. I roll my leg all the time, but my ligaments and my bones are so strong that it's nothing to it. But if I didn't work out, it would have just cracked, That's a lot of people hurt themselves when they fall or something, Stay strong. And then my meditation keeps me calm. Okay. That's where I'm happy, because when I meditate, it's like giving myself a hug because my body relaxes, and I just smile. You have to experience it. Okay. So I'm going to leave you with the quote that I read with Neville Goddard's book, The Feeling is the Secret. It was just 2 sentences, and it's all I needed. Okay. And it's all you'll need, because the truth is in there. Okay. The truth resonates deep within. There's a word for it. Reverberates So when I say this is gonna reverberate, I don't know if I'm saying it right. I speak Spanish also, so Spanish was my first language. So it's gonna go throughout the universe, and this is what I was talking about when I started the video. Whatever the mind of man or woman can conceive and feel as true, the subconscious can and must objectify. That's the only thing I'm gonna share with you. Okay, I thought it was two, but it's only one sentence. I'm gonna repeat it verbatim because I included the woman part. Quote, whatever the mind of man can conceive and must feel as true, the subconscious can and must objectify. When you feel it as true, so when you have that feeling of relief, like, oh, it's done. When I visualize myself having that sale, I feel good, like, oh, okay, I got a sale already. So when I'm on the phone, I'm not needy. It's like, okay, hey, yeah. I already feel like I already got a sale, okay? Because I did in imagination, and reality is made by your imagination. Everything that you see right now, you've imagined it previously, and you believed it to be true. You felt that feeling. So it became concrete, physical reality. I love you. Hope you like this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more videos. I'm going to try to do them daily as I read and I share my insights. Okay? And share this if it's helping you, it's resonating with you, if it's changed your life already. Because I know it will. It's changed mine. So share it with somebody that you love. Until next time, I love you. Peace.